If you're interested in what a $3.5 million new construction penthouse looks like, stay tuned as today we are walking through one of the last available penthouse units at the 100 Shawmut Residences in Boston's South End neighborhood. I will take you through this amazing 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,730 square foot penthouse featuring 2 balconies and a private roof deck, followed by a 1-bedroom unit which is also still available here. Lastly, we will go over the amenities and services 100 Shawmut offers. This will be an unedited, raw video tour of the homes, so you will see the sales center representative and one of my colleagues in the background several times throughout the video. As always, if you'd like to come see this property in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. My information is here on screen and in the description below. Walking into the unit, you can immediately see how spacious and open it is. Once again, this unit spans across 2,730 square feet, with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3 private outdoor spaces, and a den. This home is north, east, and south facing with great city views. The unit also includes 2 deeded garage parking spaces with a large storage locker. You'll notice how the floor plan flows easily between the living, dining, and entertainment areas. The light-filled interior balances clean lines with subtle details and rich materials with high ceilings and white oak wood floors. You can easily enjoy the views delivered by the massive floor-to-ceiling windows from all areas of the open kitchen, dining, and living room. The kitchens here have Calcutta gold countertops with matching backsplash and state-of-the-art Gagano appliances. It's a great space for, of course, cooking or casual dining. You have a built-in Thermador wine cooler and a large refrigerator. As you can tell, the space is absolutely flooded with light throughout the day and showcases the city lights at night. Making our way over to the first private outdoor space, a small balcony looking directly towards downtown Boston as well as the back bay. This unit is priced at $3.49 million and has an HOA fee of $3,700 monthly, which is in line with similar offerings in the area. If you don't already know, 100 Shawmut was completed in 2022, featuring a total of 138 units. As of this filming, there are 8 total units remaining for sale. You also have this den space, which could be used as a media room, an office, or even an additional bedroom. The stairs here lead up to the private terrace, which I will show you later on. Walking into the first bedroom, you have a space which can fit a full or a queen-size bed, a desk, and a dresser. The room also has floor-to-ceiling windows with east-facing views, as well as a large closet. The room leads directly to the first full bathroom with a double vanity and marble-heated floors. The bathroom connects through to the second bedroom, also featuring floor-to-ceiling operable windows facing east. 100 Shawmut is seated in an ultra-central location and is about a 5-minute drive or 10-minute walk to downtown Boston. Back Bay is about an 8-minute drive or a 20-minute walk. The Seaport district is a 12-minute drive or a 30-minute walk. Of course, the South End neighborhood itself is an attraction and offers dozens of boutique shops, restaurants, cafes, parks, and more. Heading back out to the hallway, you have a washer and dryer tucked away in this large closet. Stepping into the primary suite, you have a huge walk-in closet. No detail was spared in the creation of the primary bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in a lot of natural light to the space and deliver east and west views. The primary bathroom has a glass walk-in shower with a soaking tub. The primary bedroom can comfortably fit a queen or king-sized bed, desk, chairs, and a dresser. There are many ways in which the space could be configured. You also have a second balcony here. Now, we are going to make our way to what I think is the best feature of this residence, the private rooftop terrace. Before we head up, there is also another large closet here. We are on the highest floor of the building, truly a great place to entertain or relax. This space could easily fit 7 or 8 people at a time and has the best views from the unit. "100 Shawmut stands at 150 feet with a design that integrates an existing 6-story brick warehouse structure with a contemporary addition, creating a 232,000 square foot residential building. Now, we're going to head through a 1-bedroom option here. This is a 1-bed, 1-bath, 857 square foot unit featuring a balcony and 1 garage parking space. The same appliances and finishes can be seen in this unit. The home has east-facing views and gets a lot of natural light. The bedroom can fit any sized bed as well as a desk or dresser. Large closets can also be seen. Stepping into the bathroom, there is a double floating vanity and a glass walk-in shower. This unit is listed at $994,000 with an HOA fee of $1,100 monthly. Now, getting into the amenities here, 100 Shawmut's redefined level of service begins upon arrival at the building's beautifully appointed lobby featuring a 24-hour concierge and self-park system. Adjacent to the lobby is a suite of amenities designed for entertainment and leisure, featuring a chef's kitchen and billiards room. The full amenity list includes an activity lounge, great room, private dining room, billiards room, library, lobby lounge, caterer's kitchen, children's playroom, pet spa, courtyard, club room, fitness center, rooftop sky lounge, and a Tesla which can be borrowed for the day. So there you have it. This was a full walkthrough of 2 units in the amenities here at the 100 Shawmut Residences in the South End. Again, if you'd like to come tour this building in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or are relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email, or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.